Hello everyone. Today, Hatan will introduce the dish, braised fish with turmeric, a traditional dish of the West, highlighted by the natural golden color of turmeric. How to make. Prepare ingredients. Fish, 500 g fresh turmeric, 1 small bulb dried onion, garlic, chili, a few dried onions, 1 garlic bulb, 2 to 3 chili peppers seasoning, good fish sauce, sugar, MSG, optional, ground pepper, cooking oil. Fresh coconut water, 1 cup. Steps to make. Prepare ingredients, fish, wash, drain. Fresh turmeric, peel, pound or grind. Dried onion, garlic, chop. Chili, slice or leave whole. Marinate the fish, put the Linh fish in the pot. Add the crushed turmeric, add 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of MSG and a little ground pepper. Mix well and marinate for about 20 minutes for the fish to absorb the spices and turn a beautiful golden color. Braised fish, place the pot of marinated fish on the stove, cook over medium heat until boiling. When the fish starts to boil, reduce the heat, add fresh coconut water to the pot so that it just covers the fish. Simmer until the sauce thickens and the fish is soft and tender, the fish meat turns a golden color. Before turning off the stove, add the chili and season to taste. Presentation and enjoyment, scoop the braised fish with turmeric onto a plate, sprinkle with a little ground pepper and decorate with a few slices of chili on top. This dish is served hot with white rice, served with raw or boiled vegetables, it is extremely attractive. Things to note, you can add 100 g of pork belly cut into bite-sized pieces to make the braised dish fatter and more flavorful. If using, marinate the meat with the Linh fish from the beginning. Choose fresh turmeric instead of turmeric powder to give the dish the most natural color and flavor. Do not stir the fish with chopsticks during the braising process to avoid the fish from breaking. Instead, gently shake the pot so that the fish absorbs the spices evenly. You can add a little cooking oil or lard at the beginning to make the braised dish fatter and shinier. Braised Linh fish with turmeric is a traditional dish of the West, standing out with its natural golden color from turmeric. The flavor of this dish is a perfect blend of the fatty sweetness of Linh fish and the characteristic aroma of fresh turmeric, along with a little spicy chili. Not only is it a delicious dish, braised Linh fish with turmeric is also very good for health thanks to the anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of turmeric. There is nothing better than eating this dish with hot rice and raw vegetables. Thank you so much for joining us. See you in the next videos with lots of delicious dishes.